Good morning, guys. Different microphone today, so you might not hear the best. Good morning, Fayat. Just because I didn't bring with me my microphone at my friend's place. So that's why. I'm gonna set right now, check if every order is working correctly, and it's working correctly. And now we're ready. We're ready to check. We're gonna see if my chart is gonna be correctly loading during the first minutes, because we might get a trade right away here to jump on the 24,000 and continue higher. But we will look into it. Market's open. All-time highs just here above, guys. 68.50. Just there, 68.50 all-time highs. We are 4 seconds delay on the market. Now no delays. Now it's blocked. Always the first seconds on my quant hour, it's a bit of a problem, just because my computer is not the best. Right now with OBS, streaming and everything. Wish you the best, guys. Good luck. All-time high is just there above. So interesting, very close. I'm ready if it wants to touch and bounce. Ready to go long. Very interesting if it does it, or it's gonna skip me. It's coming lower. Little bit more here on the 24, and I might go long with you. Yeah, it's touch there. Okay, even more. Looking for longs. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. No, that's not a long for me. I'm gonna remove the order. I don't want this. I want 3 candles coming from the bottom of a pullback, so I'm not long on that one. I'm gonna skip this one. If it's come back and makes a new low and then give me 3 candles, yes. For example, this one, yes. I'm gonna take it as a long. No, okay. This one, no. Has to come back and make, okay, that's better. I will be long there. If it's happened, no, that's all. Ha! Quick deleting and putting order this morning. Nothing yet. If it breaks there above, I will be ready with my order. If it breaks right now, I will be long. And I'm long. Stop loss is gonna be the low of this candle here. Let's see if I'm gonna get screwed right away. A very quick trade in the negative side or positive side. We need a nice push right now. Come on, market, show some. So let's see if we're gonna get a nice loss today or it's gonna be a losing day. No matter what, we just take the trades we have to take. how it looks, it's coming to get me out. Yeah, it does look that. Kind of a little bit of a miracle we need right now from this consolidation. Stopped out, and we wait for to see the next one. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna probably miss this one, this consolidation, and wait for to see something else. You can see right now a lot of rejection on that area. Gonna put an area here. You can see this. Look how many times it rejected here, and I took a long on it. It's kind of a lesson, I guess. So I'm gonna wait that we get out at least from this area. It is 2040 here. Lesson here. Zooming a little bit out would have saved me probably from this loss, but easy to say afterwards. Running up them. Lesson. We move to the next trade. We lost even more because the candles were almost full, all of them. So we lost full loss there, 16.50, a little bit less than full loss. Annoying, but it is what it is. Lucky. No, it was not a good trade, man. You did good. Luckily, you missed it because a lot of rejection once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I got in on the rejection again. So if just by zooming a little bit out, I would be like, okay, this area, don't go long. Go long above, go long lower if it happens, but don't go long in this area. So let's here is like a no-go long against that area, right? Just buy this pre-market action here, all this pre-market action, and yesterday, yeah, this is even yesterday. Yesterday we went long again, got stopped out, market pushed above 24,000, never did all-time highs, neither today, even if we were so close to it. It did not happen. Da-da-da-da. Yeah, that was definitely a point I should have missed. Could have been a little bit. Look, for example, here is the same, but to the downside, right? 24,000 are here. It's not the fact that, for example, of taking this trade is fine on the strategy wise, but if you want to improve the statistic behind and be like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna put some experience on it. I'm gonna not take some trades because you have a mechanical strategy of access exit from the trade, but then you want to decide, you want to have something like, okay, let me have an edge of experience of how do you say it? Not mechanical, but descriptionally, and you say, okay, if I have to put some description, I'm gonna be like, okay, there is a resistance here, and there is support here, So how this price spiked a few times here. So I'm not gonna short against this, and I'm not gonna go long against it. That's that's an experience. That's something I have to really look into it, because I looked at the daily chart and I was like, okay, daily chart is 68 here, and for my idea, I was like, the only resistance here is at 68, so I'm not gonna long against the all-time high. But when I look at this, then you're like, okay, you know what? Zooming out pre-market, we have an incredible range here, a really incredible range. So if, for example, right now shorting against 24,000 is bad, but shorting at 27 to give me 15 points is fine, because you are far from 24,000. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for a trade. I'm not gonna rush it. If not, I'm gonna take one loss and I'm fine with it. That's, I think, the most important part of the description. So now I can share the stream in YouTube. I can share the stream in YouTube, in Discord. Where is Discord? Where's everyone? Let's see. Let's see. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. I'm laughing just because, Luca, I don't know if you're watching the live. I'm laughing because of your sentence. the praying sentence. Life is fun. Short. Make it fall. Make it fall for my friend. So you shorted here. You shorted against the 25,000. Da, 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 da. Na, 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 na. 2,300 people. Yes, we're 2,300 people, guys. That's crazy. We're getting more and more. Somehow the live stream lost so many people in the last period. So many people. We reached, like, in a period we had 40 people in a live stream. 40 people. Now we have like 10 in a good period. Now 7, 8. We're back to like 1 year ago. That's the crazy things of YouTube. Is the fact I stopped a week for vacation. Make it 2 weeks because I stopped because I was sick as well the week before. Wow, boom! YouTube, like, you stop. I'll show you what is consistency. That's crazy, yeah. "10 a.m. news." That is going to be the news that is going to take us out from this range. Se non glitchy, fai fare soldi ti puniscono. I didn't understand. I didn't understand, brother. I didn't understand. What did you say there? Sorry, Luca. Ah, see, if you don't help them to make more money, they're not gonna help you. You need to give them something, a content that people will watch. Of course, people are stitched to your channel, and they will be like, yes, if this guy creates content that makes people coming back, let's do it. Are we gonna give back all the profit of 2 days ago when it was an amazing day, or we're gonna do probably a break-even day, $50 loss? Let's see. I'm just waiting because I want to get out from this range. Are we gonna get out from the 24,045, or we're gonna be below the 24,000? So that's the only things I'm waiting right now. I want this to be out from this range, and we can see it. And I'm so dumb, so dumb. Look at this trade I take here. I want to take a screenshot because that's so stupid. So stupid. That's a bit. I'm still, 5 years in the game, but we keep improving, right? So what I have to do, for example, before each live is have an idea of like channel support, whatever. And what I like about the range bar as a chart is that this range might not be possible to see it even in a probably smaller time frame, but in a range bar, just because you see the price going up, coming back, going up again, you can see it easier. This is a beautiful range, and we just need to take care of it and don't trade inside the range, or trade buy at the low, sell at the high, and give it a stop loss and just play the range situation. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. That's the beauty of the market. I get WhatsApp spam. Somewhere my phone number got leaked somewhere. So that was the trade. Never went in never went green. Never went green, this trade. Annoying. And who are we right now? Who's there live? Who's there guys watching? Well, less people today. We're like, what, 7 people, 8 people? Who is there watching? S&P! Man! Steve, right? I remember, man. My Paraguayan American friend. Are you in Paraguay still, or you moved from Asunción? Incredible. Fayat. Man, you're always here, man. Erwin, hello bro, can you please explain why you got in that long trade? Because I'm dumb as hell. But I will explain the strategy and explain why I should have not taken it. My strategy is simple as we have a 100 MEA moving average, 200 MEA moving average. This is a 24 ticks range bar, so each candle is long, is big as 6 points with the wick. So all these candles are the same size. But whenever you have, what I backtested is, and my friends especially, is that whenever it makes a deep low inside or touching the 100 MEA, in a positive side. So for example, in this case, 100 MA is above. I'm gonna look for longs, and it makes 3 candles. I look for long, I look for 15 points target, and stop loss of 18. So very mechanical. But the reason why I should have not taken it is just because if I just, that is the things of zooming out. You zoom out, and you're like, wait, how the heck? I'm inside a freaking range. What the? Why am taking a break in this range? I should have not taken it. Like, for example, take a short here. You're shorting the range. So, it's so interesting. So that was a mistake, but we take it and we move on. But that's simple as that. I'm still here, finally passing evaluations, improving, brother. Keep improving, keep studying, improve your risk management, improve your strategy, improve your discipline. There is just rewards from that. From studying, pushing in the right direction. That's what people do the mistake most of the time, is they don't learn from their own mistakes. They do something, they do it wrong, they do it again the next day. They do something, they do it wrong, they do it again next week. And they keep repeating. And then in 3 months, they are in the same level and they're like, why trading does not work? Why trading does not work? You know it. Because you break your rules, you have bad risk management, you have bad discipline, but you never work on these things. Instead of being like, you know what, fuck, my risk management sucks. What the fuck, I'm risking $600 on a 50K account. $600 means that in 4 trades, I blow up my account. And my win rate is 20%. So I should handle 20 consecutive losses. So I should make a $100 loss per trade. That's what people do, these mistakes. That they do a mistake, they do it again the next day, they never try to change. But if you try to change, you're of course, but one day, today, Friday, Monday, you switch and you don't do the same mistakes anymore. No, it's good. We are human, we do mistakes, we repeat them, but we try to repeat them less. Let's say this month you broke your rule, your max loss rule 3 times. Okay, let's focus on making it less. Let's focus on max loss rules to don't break it this month. It's gonna happen once. That's an improvement. Next month, okay, let's bring it to 0. And you keep improving. Good morning, Mufti. I might come back in Paraguay in 1 month and a half, 2 months. Yes, I have to come back, do some documents, stay there for a little bit. Probably stay there for a month. Honestly, I like Asunción, very chill country, and probably because we're going for a World War II, World War III, Paraguay seems safe. Apart the joke, for real, the situation around the world is crazy. Unfortunately, it's crazy. So, and we keep improving, you know. And that's the mistake of people do. That's the mistake of, at least on trading. I know people, guys, I always told you, I know people that are down hundreds of thousands of dollars. And I tell them, please, tomorrow, okay, let's do this. You have some rules now. Please, tomorrow, I said to this person, please give me 2 weeks of not breaking these rules. I spoke about this story. How many days it managed this person to follow the rules? 0. It happens that every day was breaking the rules. And then I was like, please, okay, forget about the 2 weeks. Please give me 1 day when you follow your rules. But when you are something is written in your brain that you have done the same mistake and you keep repeating and becomes a habit of breaking rules, it's very hard to remove it. It's very hard to remove a bad habit. So you have to work in yourself a lot. You have to really work a lot on yourself. And working a lot on yourself is the hardest things. It's easy to give advice. It's easy to give feedback to other people. It's not easy to accept feedback. It's not easy to accept advice. It's not easy to push yourself to the right direction. It's easier to down yourself, to speak bad about yourself. You know, the fact is, Erwin, when you see a chart like this, that's what I think. When you see a chart like this, or whatever chart, your eyes see something. My eyes see something else. Say when in the chat, this is our Mufti. I call him Mufti, but it's the one that is called Say when. I give him this chart, he sees something else. I give this chart to SP, he sees something else. I give this chart to Fayad, he sees something else. And that is the point of I always try to make people understand is your strategy, your way of seeing the market is different than what I see the market, than my strategy and everything. Your strategy makes money, keep doing what you're doing. That's what I really don't like is when I go people. there is a YouTuber online, they make money, for example. Not me, at least in this year. But people make money and in the comment chat and they're like, you should have not shorted this, you should have gone in this. Man, you don't give advice to someone that is making money. No, not on your case, Arvina. But general factor really, people, and most of these people that give advices on strategy of other people that are making money are unprofitable just because they don't understand the statistic game. A day can be red, a week can be red, the long run I'm green. A day means nothing, a week means nothing, the long run means everything. That's what people don't get. I can be red today, I'm chill. Because today doesn't mean anything on my strategy. I can be weak, in this week red. I did execute, I followed my rules, I didn't break my max loss, I didn't break my rules. A week can be red. The important is that my month, even the month can be red, but the long run, I'm green. How many months we had last year without getting a payout, and then we got payouts? It's crazy. I had like, what, 2-3 months without payouts, and then boom. $7,000-8,000 of payout, $10,000 of payout, with a stupid strategy. So stupid strategy, crazy. Sometimes we make the market. That's what I realized is that we believe we have to predict the market. We don't predict shit. The market does whatever it wants. The only way we do is react to what the market tells us in the past, or it's doing right now. The fact that my strategy tells me to go long, when this happens, I just do it. Is it gonna go to the high? No. For some reason it might not happen, then my description might decide to try to scream down the losses. But in the reality, even if I've taken the long here, outside the range and everything, could have been a loss anyway. But statistically, I'm gonna get some losses. That's the crazy things of acceptance of losses. If you have this mentality of acceptance of losses, you are ahead of most of the people. That's why I don't blow up accounts. And that's why I don't blow up accounts. That's why if today I have my loss or 2 losses, I close, I say goodbye guys, I keep it chill, I go back working, I finish my hours of work and enjoy my weekend, back on Monday. Back on Tuesday, back on Wednesday, back on Thursday, back on Friday, back again. If by chance that statistically wise my strategy in the next weeks makes money, I would be happy. If instead, by taking the trades, my strategy says and I execute like I should, I blow up, I'm chill. I'm chill. Because I look at that, I'm like, you know what, this strategy does not work. Let's close it, get back to evaluation, back testing again, and find a new strategy. It was not a mental factor, it was not an execution factor, it was a strategy-wise. I know where is the issue. What people happen many times is that they blow up because they did an emotional mistake, but then you mix everything there. They do, it's because of the strategy, it's because of my mental things, and they keep doing these things and they don't have data. So you have the same mistakes over and over. But if you do the right things, the strategy becomes more realistic, becomes more data-based, and you can do some changes and work on it. Are we gonna break all-time highs today? That's what I'm wondering right now. Are we gonna break all-time highs? Start a poll. All-time highs today. We have news in 44 seconds. All-time highs today, guys. Yes or not? I started the poll, so someone answers there. Yes, 1 vote. One is, oh wow, so you're speaking with the news right now. It's Friday. Omar says it's Friday. So that means no. That means yes. I don't know what does it mean in that. But it's Friday. It means maybe it's Party Friday. It's Party Friday, Omar? Party Friday. Omar, anything can happen. It means, look at that. Ooh, look at, oh my God, I love these range bars. I'm crazy. Look at them, how they move. Let's see, for example, right now, this is a trade. But I'm not going to take it right now because I'm still inside the range. I'm not going to take these things. That would be, again, a mistake of taking this trade against the range again. I'm going to wait. Maybe these lines, you know what happened? These lines can come back here because we break inside the range. So it does like that. Come back, get me in, pointing to the highs. That's the idea. All-time highs, 4 people said yes. 4 people said yes, no one said no. Remember guys, leave a like to this video, leave a like to this video. Leave a like to this video. 100% of people are betting themselves on that we're gonna break on the highs. Look at this, I'm so down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's still rejecting right now. It's still rejecting right now these freaking all-time highs. So dumb. But it's good lesson. It's good lesson. I'm happy that at least I see it. I say it will weak. It will weak it out. Then we take it. Then we take it out. Yeah. Maybe it does not have the power of continuation, but maybe it weaks it out and then it's come back again. And what is the interest rate next week? What is it? So today is 10 a.m. Next week, FOMC interest rate decision next Wednesday. Oof. Ooh, next Wednesday, guys. Next Wednesday, and if they lower the interest rate, oof, that's gonna be insane. It's gonna be interesting to see the market, how it wants to evolve, and the crypto market. Because the crypto market has been waiting for a long time in that middle situation. Boarding price action. Right now it's like not doing anything. We're still inside the range, huh? Look at this range. So don't take any trade like here, like a dumb trade here. Oh my god. Dumb. Let's wait for it to break above, come back, retest it, go long, we continue higher. If not, I just don't take any more trades and I take one loss and I'm fine. Beautiful. 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 We're trying to break above. Imagine that we're at 50, 68 is above, it's nothing 68. Just because on the range bar seems a lot, but this is where every tick here is 2 points and a half, that's nothing. This is a very small range. In the last days, oh my god, let's go to all-time highs. And we're doing it, we're pushing outside a little bit right now. I might miss it. I might not take another trade. I'm just looking if I have the opportunity, I will do it, but I'm not gonna force it. So we are in a not nice price action right now. And I'm worried it's gonna be the same for Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday morning before FOMC. If no one leaks the information. FOMC, we're gonna lower the interest rate to 0%. You can take your bank's credit with no interest. Boom. Boom. Everyone requesting money all around the world, all around the USA. That means as well all around the world. It's gonna be a huge push all around. Right now we're close that we're between all-time highs, between the previous day's highs. So previous day's highs is there at 46 and 44.25. So here, that's the literally this rejection. This is pre-market. That's pre-market, yeah. So much choppiness. Look at this one. Look at this price action when there is a 6 points range candle and the price just move pop 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 pop. And because it's news, it means as well that maybe one fill because of the possible spread that was here. Did you take any trades today? People that are here watching, did you take any trades? And just the reminder of the day, 80% is there with Apex, guys. Code Hamza as always. If you're new, that's a new news. If you're not new, it's just a reminder. One win, one loss. How are you with trades? Like 1-to-1 risk reward, Mufti, or positive or negative risk reward? Oh. Kind of like our old 50-minute strategy. Ah, that beauty, man. That beauty. No stress. Take the 2 trades. Very simple. Take the break. 10 points target, 15 points stop loss. $20,000 of payout plus $4,000 of payout this year. Thanks to the 15-minute strategy. And at the beginning of this year, I was like, if I made $20,000, make it $20,000 with 4 or 5 PA. If I increase this by 4 times and I have 20 PA, that's 4 times more. That means I can request $80,000 of payout. That was my mentality at the beginning of the year. Then to understand, yeah, life is not that easy. Yeah, it's true. Oh, it's true. When is the rollover? Next week? Next week. Okay, not yet. Oh yeah, next week. It's right now 18,000. 18,000 volume, yeah. Yeah, no, dreaming is good. Dreaming give you motivations and aspiration. And of course, then we have to put clarity on I was dreaming. And for me, I was the guy that I want to make hundreds of thousands of dollars of payout. I want to make this and this. I want to make this money. But then you realize it's possible. But for me, what I want in my life is simplicity. If I can get $50,000 of payout or $40,000 a year in payout with Apex, like net positive, and I have other income at the same time, because trading is you can. How I like to trade is trade 1 hour per day. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do one things for 1 hour per day and then be done. You can do something else, do other accounts, probably something else that give you some joy, give you another similar income per year. Then you have a good life, no stress around it. That's that's the idea. Mufti, thank you so much. Have a beautiful weekend, my friend. Enjoy your family, enjoy your friends, and see you Monday. Yeah, that's what it is. You know, could, should. I could have not taken this trade. I should have not taken this trade. Yeah, but what I do is okay. You know what? That's a good idea. Uh, Now you know it. For example, for example, that's what I think I'm happy is okay. I should have not taken this blah blah blah. It's right. Let's avoid to say that. Okay, you know what? There's a range here. Don't take any other trade against the range. You know, this is another one. I mean, it would have been positive. Like, okay, it's easy to say afterwards, but don't take this trade again. Move to the next one that has a little bit higher possibility. That's funny thing. It was not the right example because it's green trade. But yeah. The market does what it does. We cannot control it as much as we want. We want to control the market. Sandra, yeah, we go for the biscuit. What I like to say, Sandwich is risk it for the biscuit. That's my sentence. Risk it for the biscuit. It's a statistic game. We take the trades, we lose them, we win them. Whatever happens, happens. Even if right now, if I take this trade right now, is it gonna be inside the range or is it gonna be outside? I can do a little bit outside. Nah, it's not happening. It went even lower. Again inside the range, alright, skip it. Nothing, we're going lower. Sunrise Estates. Sunrise Estates. It's a strange name. Sunrise Estates. Welcome, Sunrise Estates. Risk it for the biscuit. Sunrise Estate. With my mental power, I can guess where are you from. Sunrise Estate. Okay, you have an estate. You're selling houses or apartments and stuff like that. Sun is a sun place. You're close on a beach. You're from California. Hamza says Miami. I'm gonna say California. You're from California. That's my mental power. My strength. My incredible strength. If I guess your place, no, Saraj maybe left already. Oh, Saraj, still tell us where you're from. Saraj, where you from? Tell us where are you from. Guys, welcome to the channel. We're back to 20 people finally. We were at 40 before. Finally, we're back. We're down $7,600. Not maybe the best day for you to show up, but what you see in this channel is transparency because I show everything. I show freaking everything. Where I took the trade, where I lost it, and I don't hide number of PAs here below, number of profit I made this year, number of payout, everything is clear. And that's the things. This is the reality of trading. Losses are normal. We have to take them and move on. But people online do not show you that. Remember that. If someone show you only winning trades, they're hiding something. And I found out many of them. And I found out many of them are hiding something. Many of them are fake. Is someone telling you, do this, look at me, and they show you Monday to Friday green, Monday to Friday green, Monday to Friday green? I can bet my balls they're faking it, because that's not possible. If you're that good of making that much money, you'll not be in Twitter putting that post. And most of the people online, at least, there are many of them that just make money from courses and stuff like that, and it's clear. That's clear. I don't wanna say names. I don't wanna risk any defamation or stuff like that. Being everything goes public, but most of them I can confirm guys they're fake. It's a reality. It's a reality. So that's always, I agree, follow mentors, follow people that can make you improve, make learn. But you have to try to find the real people. No fake bullshit, no fake anything. For me, what I hate the most, the people that don't show you how many PAs they have. Guys, online, people show you, for example, what I hate the most is this. They don't show you the number of PA. Today they show you green. Tomorrow they show you green. The next day they show you green. But good chance the PA is different because good chance they blow up one, they made money with one, they blow up another one, they made money with another one. They can make long, make short, and make money with one, make money with the other one. They show you green, you're happy, you follow them, you buy their course, you use their code as an affiliate because you want to be close to them. You spend money to believe in them and to get lessons, but in reality, they're being only show you that fake things. Yeah, true. Maybe they made money, but they blow up the previous account. They show you it was green the day before. You have a red day. They show you green day, and you're there believing that you're doing something wrong. In reality, maybe you're doing the right things. The fact that you're red is normal, but you believe it's wrong. So you do there, hitting yourself, believing you're doing something wrong. So, guys, be careful. Be careful of that. Be careful of that. So much choppiness today. So much choppiness. I could definitely easily avoidable this trade. Lessons learned. Today should have been still a zero trading day. But it's okay. if we're coming back and bouncing from these 50s, can we go to all-time highs? I don't know. This, for example, was possible on a trade? No, too much. If it comes back and bounce again, maybe yes. Welcome back, guys. Remember to subscribe, leave a like to the video, and if you're using Apex, 80% off right now. My code is Hamza. Always the same code. Nothing changes. That's my name. So if you're new, you're welcome. Comment in the chat if you're new. Say hi. I'll guess where you're from. Guys, we're going to all-time highs. We're there. 68.50 is there. 68.50. Ooh, we touched it. We're above all-time highs in the market, guys, on Nasdaq. All-time highs in the market in Nasdaq. Absolutely insane. We've just done all-time highs in Nasdaq right now. Crazy, guys. Crazy. When was the last time all-time highs? Was it 13th of August, a month ago? Literally a month ago. All-time highs. Yes, Payout. Crazy, huh? Let's see what we're gonna do right now. Are we gonna hold it and keep going? Or are we gonna reject it and just wick it down? Right now we're trading around it. Crazy. I think I'm gonna take one loss and that's it, I'm done. Probably it's gonna happen. I'm gonna give it 8 more minutes. Oh, are we gonna keep pushing that? I'm looking for a... We're pushing, guys. We're still there on the all-time highs. I think I'm probably gonna call it like that. Yeah, this trading is like, well, nothing is happening and we're getting, yeah, I mean, we're all-time highs. I've been chopping all this morning. Yeah, today was zero trade day, but okay, we take a loss and I'm fine with it. I'm fine with the loss. One loss is, I'm totally fine with it. I'm good with it. I follow my rules. I could have done better, yes. I could have done better by avoiding it, yes, but always easy, you know. Easy to speak afterwards, so I'm not gonna be worried about that. Peace and love. Even if it's come back right now, it's too late. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. If we want to see this to come back and retest the all-time highs, I'm done. No, it doesn't even make sense to trade, guys. One loss, I'm fine. One loss is good. I took this loss here, guys, but my mistake was going against this range we had in during pre-market and yesterday highs. So really this range was stupid to trade against it. It happened even before, after. So that's a lesson for the next time. Let's avoid let's avoid range break trade. A lot of choppiness. All-time highs has been broken. We leave the market to do what it wants to do. Sometimes the market pays us. Sometimes the market does not pay us. And what we compare a red day and a green day, that's the mentality of what we have. Most of us is that we have a red day and we think we've done something wrong. We have a green day and we think we've done something right. In reality, when you execute and you follow your rules, it doesn't matter. It can be green, it can be red, and you've done the right things. You can be wrong and have a green day, you can be right and have a red day. But that's the reality, is that when we execute and we follow our rules, it doesn't matter the PNL. We're not going to blow up, we follow our rules, so whatever the market give us, and we move to the next stage. Many times we break our rules, we are green, what we save in our brain is this. We like, I broke yesterday rule, if I do them today, it's good chance we're going to be fine again. I break again my rule, I blow up. That's the things to don't do. I accept my loss, I'm fine with it, I follow my rules, I executed, one loss, it's not max loss, I could have taken another trade and have max loss, I'm fine. All good, see you tomorrow guys, have a beautiful time. If you're thinking to use Apex as your profile, 80% is there, my code is Hamza. Thank you each one of you guys that supported me in this channel and this journey. Welcome on Monday, we're back live streaming again, and that's all. Probably next week is going to be a beautiful week. Overall, I'm happy with this week, and guys, see you tomorrow. See you Monday. Love you all. Ta-da-ta-ta-ta-ta.